Hey everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to effectively trade options diagonal trades using my options and stock trading journal. If you are new here, I have previously covered the basics of this trading journal in another tutorial video. I will put the link to the tutorial video in the description section below. This versatile tool is designed to monitor various option strategies, including the popular wheel strategy, single leg options, and multi-leg options. But first, let's quickly discuss what a diagonal spread is for those unfamiliar with this strategy. A diagonal spread involves two option legs buying a single call option while simultaneously selling another call option, sometimes referred to as the poor man's covered call. This strategy entails buying a long-dated call option to replicate 100 stock shares while also selling a shorter-dated call option to collect premium, similar to a covered call. Diagonal spreads are ideal for moderately bullish traders anticipating upward stock price movement over 6 to 12 months. Today we will use McDonald's stock as an example to execute a diagonal spread and track profit and loss using the trading journal. To initiate a diagonal spread, begin by buying a long-dated call option, say one expiring in 6 months, and simultaneously sell a shorter-dated call option expiring in the next few weeks. In this case, I bought a 240 call option expiring on April 2024 back in October of 2023. Simultaneously, I sold a shorter-dated to expiration call options expiring in the end of October 2023. Let's see how to input the data into the trading journal. First of all, go to the Start tab to set out the trading journal, like set your starting month and year, account starting balance, and strategy. As I mentioned, diagonal spread in both buy and sell call options, so I have buy call and sell call strategy under the list. Then move on to trading journal to input the trade detail. For buy call option, input the trade number, select the trade direction from the drop-down list, input the stock ticker, select the strategy from the drop-down list, input the stock strike price, input the expiration date, the break-even price at expiration date. Under the open position section, enter the stock price at entry date and time, number of contract, and net entry price. For net entry price, put a minus sign if you pay a debit to enter the trade, and then input the entry commission. Under the risk management, input the buying power, amount of money blocked by broker to open the position, maximum profit, and maximum loss at expiration date. After closing the position, input the stock price at exit date and time, number of contract, net exit price, and also exit commission. This is how to input data for buy call option. For selling call option, the way to input the data are almost the same, except a few things. On the direction of the trade, select short instead of long. On the strategy column, select sell call. On the net entry price, you receive a premium, so you don't need to put a minus sign. After inputting the data, the green cells will automatically calculate the trade duration, profit or loss, return on investment, P&L per day, cumulative P&L, account percentage gain or loss, and account drawdown. If you want to analyze the diagonal spread, go to the ticker dashboard, select the stock ticker from the drop-down list, and you can build all the trades taken associated with the selected stock ticker. If you use multiple strategy on the stock, you can also filter by strategy to build the strategy you want. Just click on the funnel sign under the strategy column, uncheck the strategy you don't want to build. It will show all the selected strategy statistics such as profit and loss, average win or loss, largest win or loss, win rate, return on investment, and average trade duration. The bar chart on the right will show profit and loss by each strategy. In my trading example, I continually roll the sell call option until nearing the expiration date of the buy call option. This trading journal makes it easy to track such complex strategies. So this is how I use this trading journal to keep track of the options diagonal spread. In my opinion, it's important to have a spreadsheet like this to input the trade data and analyze the trade. The trading journal will show you the statistic of your strategy and trading activity, which allows you to learn from your past experience and make adjustments to your trading plan. Having a comprehensive tool like this trading journal is essential for traders to analyze trade data and make informed decisions. If you are interested in learning more, check out the link below for both multi-account and single account version of the trading journal. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, leave your comments below, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.